So, I don't know if it's part of depression or laziness, but most of my life when I've seen a really big project, I've kind of just gotten kind of numb and just couldn't see how to do it. And so probably about 10 years ago or so maybe, I started developing this thought process of just start somewhere. And that's helped me get through a lot of those times when I wasn't sure if I could do it, and then showed myself that I could. So if you have any big projects, just start somewhere. Maybe do a little bit, 5-10 minutes a day if that's all you're physically able to do, and eventually you'll get there. Day 1 complete.